Hello everybody, this is Charles Anderson. I'm just a guy from Goodwill, Oklahoma, and this is part of my jMonkeyEngine Java Basics series. We're going to deal with packages. I know in the last one I'd said that I'd hit classes, but I saw packages and the way that jMonkeyEngine handles organization of code, and I better touch upon packages before I hit classes. Okay, so let's start off with, what is a package? Well, packages are an associated collection of classes, enumerations, interfaces, and other packages inside of it. Classes, yes. Alright, so keep going. Packages can be spanned across multiple code files for a build, yes. For jMonkeyEngine, the compiler allows for one public class per code file. That's but multiple classes can be in a package. So I'm mentioning it now before I even hit classes, because when you get a big project, oh my goodness, packages are a great way to keep everything organized, regarding their scope and what they're meant for. So big projects, definitely packages, multiple packages, and keep everything organized so that you can find where it's at. A package declaration. A typical package declaration inside of a code line. You know what? I need to go ahead. Yes, I forgot my semicolons. There we go. Oh, there we go. Now it's fixed. Common way of writing a package name inside of a code file. However, you'll be able to identify this line of code. Package, my package, specific package, is used to declare a package inside of a package. Now, if you need to separate words, I'd recommend using the underscore, but try to keep it lowercase. And if you need to separate the words, otherwise, jMonkeyEngine tends to jam all the words together for a package. So, my package would be all one word. If you need to separate, I recommend the underscore. Okay, you can use whatever you like. Naturally, this is just good practice. There we go. Next up, why packages? Well, we can import other package functionality into our code files. So the import statement allows the usage of classes, interfaces, and enumerations from another package into this one. This one is still separate, but it tells the runtime environment the names of the other packages it will need to link to for static or late resolution. I see static or late binding, but resolution's the word that was used in the Java language specification, so I'll use the word resolution for full functionality. The star character just says, okay, I'm going to refer to a whole bunch of items, all the classes, interfaces, and enumerations, inside this package. Otherwise, just specify only what you need. It has to do with specificity. Yes, specificity. Okay, now to show you what I'm talking about. Oh, let's go here. All right, packages in Java. Let's fire up good old jMonkeyEngine. Oh, and I've already done stuff. Delete. Yes. Yes. And yeah, safely delete is if I actually used them, cross-referenced in here. Okay, so here's the package statement right here. And as you can see, beginner Java is just all together, though. So this is the one that's naturally suggested for jMonkeyEngine. And if I need to declare a new package, now public class, one public class, or interface or enumeration per code file. That's what's recommended. And one package declaration showing where it's in. So jMonkeyEngine automatically sets up your package for your program and your main class. There. So if you want to add a new package, it's recommended. Add the package this way. And if you need to separate your names, just make sure to use an underscore. And now we have our new package, and this is just with jMonkeyEngine's internal, like, keeping track of everything. This actually isn't declared in code until you make a class or an interface or enumeration, whatnot. I'll go ahead and make a class. So here we are, new class. Alright, so here's our package, here's our class. Now, if we were to try to declare another public class, dude, you need to make something else Java or something like that. So, yeah. Oh, and I even misdid my my little brackets there. But yeah, one public class per code file, or enumeration or interface, and then these packages can actually be spanned. So if I were to add a new class, yeah, I'll just go new class. All right, now we have a class, new class here. We have a class, new class, but different packages. So yeah, they have the same name. Usually you'll want different names for each of your classes. This is to prevent vagueness, hiding, overriding. It'll give you an error if you alias. Oh wait, don't even do that, Chuck. All right. So yes. Anyway, I'll just go ahead and get rid of this one. So delete. Yes, delete. I haven't referred to it, so I don't have to worry about safely done. Okay, so that's adding a package. Now, if you want to add a package to another package, you can. And note this: it puts up its new package dot, and then the name of the new package. So I'm just going to go more specific. Alright, and that one won't be up in code until we add stuff to it. And let's do something else. Alright, and there we go. That way I've avoided any possibility of classes having the same name. Yes, I'll go over hiding and same name errors more in detail. However, you can still avoid same name errors by using fully qualified names, and I will go into that in this tutorial. Okay, so packages, great way to keep everything organized. As you can see, you start getting a big project, and this is a library right here. JDK tends to come with everyone. That would be good old. Let's see if I head over here to the import java.util .scanner. The Java set of packages is the way that that's done. So come on, keep on track. Gotta keep it flowing. We are not on import yet, are we? No, I've already gone over the naming. Yep. Proper package declarations. How to properly add them in jMonkeyEngine. Good, good. Yes, import. Okay. Yes, from another package into this one. So I specified Java. Alright. So let's take the good old scanner that we've been using. So because I have it registered in my libraries here, and when you want to register an external library, here's where you would want to add stuff. Shows like the JDK has Java dot, and then here's all the ones in there, and these are packages inside of packages. And here's a list of classes and interfaces. I don't see any enumerations, but they look like classes. Okay, well, anyway. Oh, and I'll just do a star. And that, okay. So when we come down here and, we want to make a scanner, then we just go scanner my. Now, even if we don't have this import statement in there, we can still have the compiler to bring it in. However, you must use the fully qualified name for its library over here. This just means we don't have to type up this stuff. So, whoa, did I? Okay, I got rid of it, but then I did page down or something. Now I notice that this is in red because, hey, that can't find it. Well, where could it be? Well, it is in java.util, and it is the scanner class. And we have to come over here, java.util. So as you can see, just a simple import statement can save you a lot of lines of code, because every time that you want to declare an object, you will have to use its fully qualified name if you don't put that import statement up there. Okay, and that refers to wherever it's at in here. I guess wherever it's at in here. Now, here we have a library, okay, and this will be turned into a jar file all of its own, and you'll notice that these are already jar files, and these are the packages that are found inside. So yeah, there's Java X, something to do with sun, the one that yes, load up. Nope, that's calm. Yeesh, there's a lot of stuff. Wow. Oh, there we are. Java. Let's see, where was utils? Utils, where are you? Alright, and as you can see, come on, scanner, where are you at? And so there it is. Heesh. So yeah, lots of cool stuff. Fully qualified names. Wow. Anyway, so yeah, it looks through all this stuff to find good old scanner, and a lot of the stuff that we'd normally have to type in does not have to be typed in. Yeah. So really great way of keeping functionality. There we go. And you don't have to type as much code. So, all right. I think that pretty much covers everything. And I even went to the obscure stuff. I have not gone into static or late resolution. I'll go into more on that on stack and heap. And there's actually four. It's code, stack, heap. No, code. Static. Anyway, code, static, stack, and heap. There we are. And so the star character. Oh yes, and the star character does not work on packages, just for the classes and interfaces and enumerations. Okay, so alrighty. I've been using jMonkeyEngine. I've been using Java. I'm Charles Anderson, indie game developer. My project's Idiog. I've got an email. I've got a Twitter. Y'all have fun. And next up, we're going to hit classes in better detail. Yeah, I just had to touch upon packages to say, hey, big projects? Yeah, keep them organized. This is how jMonkeyEngine sees it. All right, later.